This sign greets you as you enter Lightning Ridge. We stay in the Hotel Caravan Park. The town's population is in flux as miners move in or leave. The current population is estimated at around 2,000. It has been as high as 10,000. This contraption stands in front of the hotel. Kevin Kelly lives in the Caravan Park. Kevin has been a member of the Rural Fire Brigade for more than 40 years. He built this miniature pedal-powered fire engine and uses it to train children in fire safety. His cat loves to sun itself on the bonnet. This old miner's shack still stands in the centre of town. This is a dwelling built on a claim. These are the tailings left over from a mining operation. A view of part of an old mining area. This coach takes us to the chambers of the Black Hand opal mine. This mine has been here for more than 100 years. Ron Canlon and his wife Glenys took up residence in Lightning Ridge in the early 1980s. Ron hoped to make his fortune in mining opal, but Lady Luck did not smile on him. Determined to follow his dream, Ron eventually registered a claim on the old Black Hand mine. He was a talented artist, working mainly in oil painting. When he saw the beautiful sandstone walls of the mine, he decided to try his hand at carving. He found that he had a talent for it. Now there are over 500 carvings, many of them painted in oils. three of our past Prime Ministers. Perhaps you'll recognise them? We take another tour and visit Amigo's castle. Amigo, a man of Italian descent, whose real name seems rather obscure, built this castle from stone on his own property. Peter is our tour guide and a fount of knowledge. We visit Lunatic Hill, the site of a very large open-cut mine. Two men started an open-cut mine on this hill. The townsfolk thought they were crazy and called it Lunatic Hill, and the name has stuck. The miners had the last laugh. It is said that eventually they each walked away with a huge fortune. This decrepit-looking church was actually built in the late 50s as a set for the film The Goddess of 1967. Car doors, painted red, blue, green and yellow, are used to mark the 4 tourist tracks around the town.